Hey guys, welcome to my first makeup blog video post. Bear with me, this is my first time doing this, but I'm so excited that you're watching this. Today I'm doing a video post all on my natural makeup routine using mostly clean products, toxin-free, things that are really good for you. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions or have any products you'd like to recommend, please just leave me a comment below or on Instagram or Facebook. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so I'm starting out with a clean face right now. All I have on is moisturizer. So the first thing I'm gonna use is this Juice Beauty CC cream. Hopefully you can see it in Warm Glow. This is my go-to. Used to wear foundation, I don't anymore, especially with the summer. It's just so much lighter and easier to just throw on the CC cream. So, I apologize if I'm looking anywhere else, but I don't actually have a mirror in front of me, so mistake number one. And I just put this on my fingers. I know you're supposed to probably use a brush or a sponge, but I just kind of like doing it with my fingers because I feel like it's easier and it's more of a moisturizer anyway, so it just helps. And then something I do just to make sure I don't look completely different is I just kind of go down my neck a little just so it blends in. And as you can see, it gives a really nice natural glow. Nothing crazy. So that's the foundation, CC cream. And then next I go in with this Well People concealer. Actually just found this at Target. I was super excited because I've been looking for a natural concealer. And so far I really like it. So I just dot under my eyes, under this eye, and then I also put it on my eyelids as like a, I don't know, I guess like a primer, you could call it, just to do that. So again, I'm using my finger. Nothing crazy here. I used to have concealer brushes, but who needs brushes when you could just use your finger? So I just pat that in until it's all blended. In my last post you probably saw the whole hormonal acne thing. I do, like right here I have a pimple showing up and I just have some scars over here, so I kind of just, I don't know, just kind of blot them up with the concealer. I find that really helps just conceal them. If you wanted to at this point, you could set it with a powder. I used to do that. To be honest, I haven't found a translucent powder that I love yet. So if you know of any, let me know. And I just don't really find the need to do it. It doesn't smudge for me or wear off. It pretty much stays throughout the day, so I just leave it as is. My next step is bronzer. I use this Mineral Fusion bronzer. It has two different colors. I kind of play it by ear depending on what color I want. I usually start with the lighter one, and then if I'm feeling tanner or want to go a little heavier for that night, then I do the darker one. So I just brush it on my cheeks. I try to keep on like the upper third of my cheekbones if possible. Doesn't always work. I go over my temples. I know people tell you you're supposed to make like a 3 with your face, so that's kind of what I try to do. Depends how much of in a rush I am. And then if I'm feeling like I really want more, I'll go with the darker color just kind of at the top. just kind of blend that out. Again, it's up to you what you're comfortable with, but if you really want to accentuate your cheekbones, then you can do that. So now that my bronzer is on, the next step I do is my blush. So I actually just bought this blush from Young Living, the company I get all my oils and my other skincare things from. It's called Savvy Minerals, and it is in, I do believe you're blushing. That's really hard to see, I'm sorry. But it's a really pretty pinkish tone. So I just got this. I've only used it a few days so far, but so far, I really like it. So I just put it in here, swirl my brush around. Okay, next I'm going in with another Savvy Minerals. This is Crushing. It's kind of like a pinkish color, I guess. Pinkish mauve. I don't know. And this one I'm just gonna put on like the outer 1/3 of my eye. It's a little bit darker than the first one, which I like, but it's not super dark. Okay. I don't know if you can see that. Perfect. So for my last step for my eyes, I actually got this tip from another blogger, Becca Bristow, and wow, that's such a smart tip. It's to use your bronzer as the crease part of your eye. So in a perfect world, I would go out and get darker brown eyeshadow, but just to save money and if it works, I'm just gonna use the exact same bronzer that I used on my cheeks on the crease of my eye. So I just kind of put it all along the crease there. Like I said, you can build this up as you want. So if you want a darker looking eye, then you can do it a little heavier. I'm just gonna keep it somewhat light. Okay, on to brows. Now, I do fill in my brows. They're already kind of thick, but I just like them to be a little more fuller. So I do fill them in. This is one of the products that is not considered toxin free. This is actually just Ulta's brow tint. I found it was relatively cheap and it works. So this is what I use, but if you have a clean brow powder or brow pencil you like, let me know. I'm still experimenting with different ones. So like I said, it's a process. So for now, this is what works for me. You know, it's not perfect, and I'm definitely looking to find a cleaner alternative, but for now, it's just baby steps. So I just kind of take this and it's kind of like a little, I don't know, mascara brush. And I just kind of brush my eyebrows with it to fill them in. I don't know if you can tell a difference. They're a little, just a little fuller. Okay, this next product I actually just bought. It's Pacifica eyeliner in brown. So I don't wear eyeliner a ton, especially every day, but if I'm feeling fancy, I will line my upper lashes, sometimes my lower, with this. So for the sake of this video, I'll do both just so you can see it, but it's up to you. Okay, so I just do that. It's not perfect, but it works. I know you're not supposed to pull on your eye. It gives you wrinkles, but you know what? I just can't put on eyeliner without pulling on my eye, so. I don't know. Okay, done. Good. All right, and then my second to last step is mascara. This is my other my only other non-toxic product. It's L'Oreal Voluminous. This is my my baby. I've been using this forever. I love it. I have yet to find any other mascara that I love as much as this. I have experimented with a few clean mascaras, haven't loved them, but I'm open to suggestions. So if you know of one that you really like, let me know, because this is next on my list to replace. But like I said, I'm not perfect. It's a gradual process, so until I find one that I like, this is what I use. So here we go. And then the last and final step is lipstick. I don't really wear lipstick per se, but I do like to have some color on my lips. If I'm at work, I'll usually just throw on like Burt's Bees tinted chapstick or regular chapstick just to have something there. But I found this Mineral Fusion, I guess it's like a lipstick crayon that I love. It's natural, it's toxin free, it's so smooth. I really like the color, and I feel like it's kind of good for like an everyday throw on kind of lipstick. So that's what I use. Okay. And they have tons of colors, so don't feel like you have to get that. So that's my completed makeup look. It's easy, it's clean, toxin free, and it's not that many products. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know, comment on this, and let me know any products you love or any things, you know, that you want me to try out, and hopefully I can do this again soon. All right, bye.